Ka school Umpohliew Jingtip Higher Secondary School Nongbsap. Kala penkut no ya ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jubilee rupa lane ka Jingrakhe dap arpusan senam jong ka school ha ka arpo nyo tarik rumpang arajar arpo. Kongsan jong ka ne ka Jingrakhe ulalong menteri rang badu badan buram jong ka jela Mekalaya Usri Konrad ki sangma. Bat usembut kongsan Pak Samlin Malngyang MLA jongka soyong constituency bat minister badipet ya ka PhD. Kongsan baru sembut kongsan habai ki jing kren jongki ki penpawe ki jing kemen ke bakrau ba ka ne ka school kalala ban kenjo hado ka jing dap ar pausan senam jongka. Ha ka ne ka sengi chief minister badan burang yor ban pli ya ka school building ke batumai kabala teyaka haka jinglot kabala palat shikro lapen kan mauru haka ne ka jingalang bo MLA jonga than soyong dang hau nai no pra jonga snam arjar khat kandai wala ai so bha ka wei ka boss ya ka ne ka school na ka benta ka jing bet jing biang jong ki kana school ki wei pade ki bala ai ki jing kren haka ne ka singi ki long na kinong hikai jong ka school na i principal jong ka school i kong pirap sang berkumjuru na u secretary jong ka managing committee jong ka school ubaji kurba kila donru shibun ki program ki bapendap da ka jingkemen ka bakrau ha ka jingrakhe ya ka te singi pala penhap ya ka perda jong ka jingrakhe dai sembut kongsan kata dai ba Samlin Malngyang MLA jong katai soyong.
We shall start the program with the school anthem.
Someday we can, someday we bring out the best from inside of our hearts. Someday we'll shine, just like the stars amidst the dark and hopeless night. We'll shine through the night. Victorious song we sing. There is no mountain impossible to climb. When we walk hand in hand, bonds of darkness won't be around. When we stand higher ground, bonds of darkness won't be around. When we stand higher ground.
I take the opportunity to congratulate the school administration, including the principal, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and all students of this school on this special occasion. My prayer is that God will bless this school as it continues to serve the children of this area in the years to come. Ato aingu hau try to khat kirpat ye ke khateng jongu to pinpana ki jingne jongu hapdeng ki kinja benriu to rwai hau to rwai ki jingero hau to ye klem shathang ki kam ki bafalla jongu to le thau purom ye ha ka khateng ka bakhu jongu ai bakan kimen ka dokut kita ki bawat ye utrai to wat pi ye utrai ba de ka bor jongu wat de ka khmap jongu hala ka singi to kinma ye ki kam ki bafalla ki bawla le ye ki jingla jongu bat ye ki jingbisha ka shinto jongu hagai ke balo to bin ai ke jingu nama kani ken kalong kamon ublai how Chris Jesus shafi to ai jingi kai yo basta te unang khamsta to hikai yo bahok te unang roi haga jingi kai ke jing shap ting yo try Galong ka jing stang ka jing star but ke Jingtip yau tau bakut long ke Jing Champagne.
I stand here on behalf of the school, taking this opportunity today on the occasion of closing ceremony of Silver Jubilee celebration of Umpohliew Jingtip Higher Secondary School. I extend my heartily welcome to our respected chief guest, who we all know, a well-renowned person, the one and only Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma. Sir, we welcome you for the prestigious occasion of a school celebrating its 25th annual day on the event of completing 25 golden years. In other words, celebrating its Silver Jubilee. Respected sir, I want to thank you for taking the time from your busy schedule to be with us for this auspicious occasion. It is an immense pleasure for us to have you, sir, in our midst. We are grateful to have with us the strong man who is the backbone of Soyong constituency, our respected guest of honor, Shri Samuel Malia. Sir, you have been with us through ups and downs. Thank you so much for lending a helping hand to a school as a whole. Thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. With all humility, I would like to extend my warm welcome to the principal staff and my dearest students, without whom this day would not be possible. It is my pleasure to address you, students. You are the young minds of today and the responsibility citizens of tomorrow. Mapiangguram ya the President H.N. Rapsang, but the Secretary J. Purba, but the members of the Managing Committee, Lembaga Jingtri Shitom Jumki, Medvan Museum, Ilaban Yo Yaganika, Linku Artisans Name Jong School.
Yesterday seems so fast. Time has gone and time has passed. 25 years of their journey has gone. A milestone that forever lasts. 25 years of teaching. 25 years of outreaching. Umpohliew Jingtip Higher Secondary School. Rejoice and celebrate. For this Jubilee is great.
Van lengi lengi skuru jaga jingi jaga jingi sen jaga jingi jaga senang bakau jaga jingi tegi kun tipi kipram marga kibamna van fatur setor skuru lagi lengi gede imarata jonanta lalu terkor berjalan Riu Trik Islam dapat dingra pergi dengan government dengan tray sitom manpulang itu semua kalau dari tray sitom lagi sini how they udung kau baca di tray sitom demi baru kembali wilayah bentar ada kuat ya naik kublai ya dari department juga division kibai lembah jika di tim Islagar Affair, Iwan Lambar dan Division Department. Yaitu tiga department itu division bagi lagi baru klinik bawaan dan FPM oleh doanya yang ada di rumah kita. Hati kita nantiren nama kalung jadi baru langsung ke sekolah sampai ke Presiden Subha Doko may lokal mali Jugi Baden Samdim Kadapeng Jugi Galong Ba Samdim Durai Ba Samdim Hagi development Islam lokal yang baru kilometer lokal akan kita ada.
I stand here to present the memorandum to our dear chief guest, Sir Conrad K. Samba.
Come to this school together. Dedicate this to our students and to all the people of this area.
Ini ada seperti yang berlaku.
Let us give a big clap.
Shri Samlin Magyam, who is my colleague in the cabinet and also the local MLA. Shrimati P. Rapsang, the principal of the school. My dear friend, Mr. J. Kurba, who is the secretary of the managing committee. All our dignitaries who are present on the dais. Abla is there, our reverend and other pastors are there. All members of the managing committee, government officials, the teaching and the non-teaching staff of the school, the parents who have come here today, and most importantly, my dear students who are studying in the school and who are part of this area and this constituency. I would like to first of all thank God for this wonderful and a blessing that He has given us today in terms of this beautiful day as well as this beautiful building that we are all seeing in front of us. I would like to also thank the managing committee, the principal of the school, for having invited me for the closing ceremony of the Silver Jubilee celebration. I can tell you that it is never easy to start a school like this. I can only imagine the different kind of challenges that the managing committee and the people who started the school must have faced in the past 25 years. But I'm very sure that when the people who are behind this school will look back at the journey of the 25 years, the ups and downs that you faced, I'm sure looking back today, there will be a sense of deep satisfaction in your hearts and in your minds to see how far the school has come. But more importantly, the difference that you have made in the children's lives, the difference that you have made in this village and in this area, and the kind of changes that you will make in the coming years. So I do take this opportunity to congratulate the managing committee members, the principal, the past pupils, the past principals, the past teachers who have all contributed to bringing the school to this level where it is today. I also take this opportunity to congratulate and to thank the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, the department which is responsible for giving this 1 crore of funds under Article 275. It is with that money that was received from Government of India that we are able to see this beautiful building that has come in front of us. I'm reminded of one very, very important proverb that my late father and our great leader, late Shri P.S. Sangma, always believed in. He used to tell us, and it's a proverb that is very well known, but he used to tell us that if your vision is for 1 year, nurture flowers. Because if you plant flowers, then within 1 year you will get the return. If your vision is for 10 years, then plant trees that bear fruit. Because after 10 years, when you grow the tree, you will bear fruits after 10 years. But if your vision is for eternity, then plant people. Because when you plant people, then forever, for eternity, you will keep getting the results and the fruits. And where do we plant people and where do we plant our youngsters? We plant them in schools like these, in institutes like these. So what really this proverb means is that if you want your society and your state and your people to move forward, invest in education. Invest in educational institutions. Invest in buildings like these. Invest in all the possibilities that you can to ensure that you nurture people, that you plant people. And that is the only way that our society will move forward. And friends, let me tell you, I believe in the same thought and idea. And that is why, when I got the first opportunity to really work for our people, when God gave me this opportunity to become the Chief Minister of the state, I told myself and my entire team that we must plant and we must nurture people. Education must be one of our top priorities.
Kaslam ban saingdur ya ka jingnang itingsta jong ki khanna kandai nang ni hagani ka dong ka tha ni jongi sani ka area Nongbsap te komta lasgo wa kum unong mi khman laso sorong kadang bun ki school kamot kadang bha lada khendiat ki school kala ban snew no kisim kabu no lada bun ki school kawai ka school bat kawai pat kiale ban yele competition kum do ban ag ji kai ba bha nang bagi khna ka jong iru ken kiu ha ka jing pule stamar jar hak khanda nidang pelaj ya ka school boss ha ka ne ka school ka ba nang kan mau ham tai hapo ka school ka barim nidang pelaj ka wei ka school boss kumba ar pholak nakam ta ka ne school sengai i ba ka school ka jam saprang ha ka be dei bat ka jingai jingikai bat ka jinglong ka building batro ka jinglong hakalek kawan ki kena school kena ka school ka labiang pura
Terima kasih. Yes, yes.